Hi guys, this is Abhishek. Now we are going to discuss on the topic punctuation. What is punctuation? There are lists of punctuation marks. We will start with the full stop or the dot. It's a period, okay? So end of a sentence, it marks the end of a sentence. Dinner was delicious. If I keep a full stop, it is the end of the sentence. Then comes the question mark. End of a sentence and denotes inquiry. What time is it? So at the end of the sentence I put a question mark, which means that it denotes an inquiry. Exclamation point, it is an end of a sentence and denotes excitement or emphasis. Watch out for the tree. The end of the tree I keep an exclamation mark. Then comes the comma. Denote a break with a sentence or direct address of a person or group. Mary, listen to me. Here after Mary comes a comma. Separate any of the following, like two or more adjectives. He is charming, attentive listener. Where after charming and attentive comes a comma. Items in a list. Please buy eggs, milk, butter and flour. The name of the city from the name of a state. I live in Salt Lake City, Utah. Two independent clauses. The waiter still hasn't taken our order and the play starts in 5 minutes. Direct quotations. Quote the raven, nevermore. Then comes the semicolon. Semicolon separate two related but independent clauses. I asked Annie to look at my computer. She has a knack for them. Separate a series of items that already contain commas. For a wedding colors, I choose white, the color of innocence, red, the color of passion, the yellow, the color of lemons. I have lived in Detroit, Michigan, Paris, France and Sydney and Australia. Here everything is separated by the comma. And the colon comes. Introduce a list. For Christmas, I would like the following presents. After colon, her hula hoop, her hippopotamus, and 2 more front teeth. Like these are the importance and the usage of colon. Introduce a statement that expands and upon the clause before the colon. And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Here we use the colon. Then comes the hyphen. What is the use of hyphen? Had a prefix. Transatlantic flights are costly. Here the hyphen is used between transatlantic. See, related compound words. Spider-Man is my favorite superhero. Here after spider comes the hyphen. Write numbers as words. I have lived in this house for 33 years. After 30 comes the hyphen, then 3 years. Then comes the dash. What is dash? Make a brief interruption within a sentence or a parenthetical phrase. Johnny asked me with a straight face, I might had if we could borrow the car for the weekend. So this is the use of dash. Where do we use the dash? We use it between me, I might had, then dash if we could borrow the car for the weekend. Then comes the double quotation. What is the double quotation for? Enclose a direct quotation. Like within quotes, if you pick up a starving dog and make him prosperous, he will not bite you. This is the principal difference between a dog and a man. So this comes with a double quotes, which is a direct quotation. Then comes a single quotation. What is single quotation? Single quotation denote possession. I believe that is Alan's pen. Denote C or on traction. I know it is because of the distinct monogram. Denote a quotation within a quotation. He told me just last week, I do enjoy this monogrammed pen. My wife said, Helen, it isn't like people go around mistaking your pens for theirs all day. Here we use single quotation. Then in the parenthesis indicates clarification. Please bring some real butter within parenthesis as opposed to margarine or margarine. Indicate on a afterthought of or personal commentary. Anyone can edit Wikipedia, not that there is anything wrong with that. So within parenthesis we put a comment or a note for the reader. So this is all about punctuation marks, and there is still more, but when writing, the punctuation marks plays a very vital role. It brings your emotions, your thoughts, your feelings into the writing format. So it comes handy in essay writing also. So hope this topic was useful to you. Thank you and cheers.